You don't know how beautiful you really are. It's like you are oblivious to it all. You need to understand and you need to realize that your essence, your qualities are what make you so powerful and so beautiful. You have many different qualities about you. You're radiant, you're kind, you're humble, you are intelligent, ambitious, graceful, poised. You're a whole vibe. You radiate love, you radiate light. Your aura is bright. Your aura is of magnificence. You are a person that spreads a lot of love wherever you go. Despite the fact that many adore you, you stay humble. You are eccentric. You are original. You are bold. You are powerful. You are a leader. You are magnetic. You are seductive. You are the type of person that a lot of people can rely on. You're very practical, hardworking, self-made. You are boundaried. You have a lot of self-respect. You are fun-loving. You are creative. You are playful. You have that ability to help others transform, to dig deep. You trigger others to their awakenings. You are not afraid to do the inner work. You're not afraid to heal yourself, to grow, to evolve. You're not afraid to speak about your past, because your past is what makes you who you are. You didn't have it easy, but you don't wear your wounds. You inspire a lot of different people. You're non-judgmental. You meet people where they are at. You are the type of person that doesn't unsee your flaws. You see, you take accountability whenever you go wrong, because none of us are always right and none of us are perfect. And you're the first one to put up your hand whenever you get something wrong. You're not afraid to apologize. You're not stuck in your ego. Sometimes, yes, we're human. We can fall into the trap of being stuck in ego. But you're not afraid to check yourself and say, why did I do that? Where did that emotion come from? I apologize for making you feel that way. I'm sorry I said that to you in that tone. How can I make this situation better? What do you think I can do better on my side? At the same time, you're not afraid to speak your truth. You're not afraid to mention whenever you are not happy about a situation. You're not afraid to voice your concerns. For so long, you've been censored. And you realize that you owe yourself the opportunity to voice your concerns whenever you're not happy. Does not make you a bad person. People actually respect you due to the fact that you state your opinions, regardless as to whether or not you state in your opinions means that you're going to stand alone. Because people know that you're coming from a place of love. Some of you did not get the love that you pour onto others. But you have this notion of, just because I went through trials and tribulations and turbulence growing up, or in your most recent past does not mean that I would want anyone to feel that way inclined, and this is what makes you beautiful. Because some people that have been through the worst, they choose to project their unhealed wounds onto others. Because I went through that, I want someone else to feel what I went through. Why? Why do that? Why continue the chain of trauma? Doesn't make any sense to you. You see, if we keep loving, helping, and healing others, we can heal the world. That's the way you view life. Hurt people don't hurt people. Hurt people heal others. Let's make it a chain. Let's make it a chain of change. We have too much unhealed people walking around, destroying others because of their childhood traumas. You are a reflection of what it looks like to do the work, to heal. And because of this, you radiate so much beauty outwardly because your inner is beautiful. None of us are perfect, and you're not perfect, but it's your imperfections that make you perfect. You have so much zest for life. You are exciting. You are a trailblazer. You are energizing. Your energy uplifts others. You inspire others because of your way of being. You're not afraid to go out there and take life by the horns. And even if you fail in certain areas, you still try again. You never give up. You are resilient. Your resilience is so inspiring. People look up to you. You make people believe in miracles. You are a miracle. You are focused. You are determined. You are powerful, and you are strong. You are a healer. Healing looks good on you. You're not afraid to uplift others, to empower others, to inspire others. Maybe through your own work or through you just telling people that they can become anything that they want to be. And it's true. Some of you didn't have that voice. Some of you didn't hear people telling you that when you were younger. But I'm here to tell you that you can do anything you put your mind to, regardless of your background, regardless of your current situation. Don't let anyone tell you any different. You are special. You matter. You are amazing. Your ideas are brilliant. You are brilliant. You will be celebrated. You have many options in this life. You know, spirit, God, or whoever you believe in bestowed you with so much talent. You can sing, you can dance, you can paint, you can bake, you can cook. You can game. Some of you are fantastic doctors, psychologists, lawyers, painters, artists, plumbers, decorators, mechanics. The list is endless. Don't place yourself just in one box. And even if others shut you out, remember that you're never alone. And sometimes not being invited to certain events or being in the it crew, whatever crew that is, doesn't mean that you're not wanted. Because in this life, you will find your true soul tribe. And it's okay if you're alone sometimes. Use that time to regroup, recharge, reconnect, and to then re-emerge. You are a sage. You are a healer. You are working through your toxic patterns that need to be healed. You have gone through so much. And you will overcome whatever it is that you're going through. You are going towards a cycle of change. Don't resist it. You're stepping into a brand new cycle that is going to lead to major success. It may not feel like it now. And it may feel easier to cling on to the old toxic ways of being, old habits that kept you stuck, that made you feel as if it's what I'm used to, so I might as well stay here. Nah. You are needed by most because you are influential. You are needed by most because your story is powerful, inspiring. Don't resist a change. Remember how amazing you are. Remember how beautiful you are. And continue to shine your light wherever you go.